everybody. I know it's been a while. I think I'm slacking off. But yeah, it's been very busy ever since the pandemic. It's been so busy. I don't know why, but yeah, I've been so busy lately. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you my mini plant haul. It's not a big thing. It's just a mini plant haul. Let's start with this one here. Very beautiful. It is flowering just beautifully. Look at it, and it's still more to bloom. There's one down here too. There's more to bloom. And look how lovely it is. So orangey. Like the orange is so, I don't know, breathtaking. This plant is called the Sunstar, or for its original name. It's very beautiful. I don't know, it's my first time I'm going to take care of this plant, but according to its instructions, well, I'm going to kind of treat it like a succulent. So yeah, wish me luck on that one. And then I have I saved a African violet here, which it was on sale, I guess, because it was kind of, you see the leaves there, they're kind of yellowish, some spots. I guess they kind of watered it, the leaves, and that's the reason why it gets these brown spots, because you're not supposed to touch the leaves with that water. Just kind of, go inside here and water it without touching the leaves. Sometimes that's what happens. And well, I got this one, which is a lovely color. It's a mixture of white and purplish. I'm looking for the other African violets, which is, they look almost like a little tiny mini roses. Yeah, I only got I believe two. Purple one, which I never thought it was one of them, but yeah, it ended up like little tiny rose. And another one that I bought. Okay, so next is, yes, another Monstera. Monstera Deluciosol. And this one is just about to open. As you see, it's still curled a little. These are newer leaves and they are big. So yeah, the leaves is huge. I sold the one that I had, which was very big, that plant. I didn't like it because it was way too crooked and I just didn't like it. So I ended up buying another one and I sold the other one. Yes, I know. She's selling and buying. Does that make sense? I know I could cut it off and just, root it, but I just wanted a new plant. I didn't want to bother, which is easy to root these plants. All right, so that's the next plant, which is so pretty. I love it. And now I got another peace lily. Yes, another one. I love peace lilies. I already have one, but I wanted to get another one. And this one already has a bloom. So yeah, I already repotted. I put it in this pot and it's lovely. I love peace lilies. And I do have another one, which is this one, which is variegated. It's white on its leaves. And yes, it has its blooms as well. So yeah, and some leaves are yellow because it wasn't taking enough sun, and now the sun is on this side, so now it's beginning to look happy. Here's my other peace lily right there. All right, it's making several blooms. One there, one here. It's gonna have more blooms. It's been always blooming, but not as much. Now that the sun has come on this side now in the mornings, it is blooming. And I also got philodendron. I think it's Hartley Philodendron. My tongue. And hopefully, well, I don't have bad luck with these plants, but I just got a pet. And from what I've read, yeah, so I'm going to keep this high up. These plants are not good for our pets. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to have it always high up, which it is high as my level I am right now. And yeah, this is another plant which I've got Hartley Philodendron. And I also added a cutting as well of the Brazil, I think it's Philodendron, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm forgetting the names of my plants. Yeah, that shows how much attention I'm giving them. Shame on you. And I got a Kalinchoa as well. It's about to bloom. A nice yellow, dark yellow, I guess I would say. Very pretty. Hopefully I can keep this one alive, because the last two I had, I don't know, I can't keep them alive for some reason. I have no idea why. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, so the next one is Tulip. I know you all must know about tulips, like hell, yeah, everywhere you see tulips. But I love yellow. Yellow gives more life. Yellow means happiness, sunshine. To me, it is happiness, yellow, which I plan to paint my kitchen yellow soon. And that's going to go in the front. So I'm going to put it in the front yard. And I also have here another pothos, which I love pothos. And I love this kind of poth. It's a marble queen, I believe. They never put the name. They just put tropical. That's all they put on their tags. But to me, this is a marble queen, or it's what's the other one called? Snow White? I don't remember. Correct me. Anyways, yes, that's the small plant mini haul. Anyways, my friends, that is the small mini plant haul which I got, and I might get a little more. Sometimes when I go gardening, yeah, my hands get itchy. I don't know about you guys, my hands get very itchy. And I start grabbing, and I'm like, ooh, this one I like. I don't know about you guys, but that's what happens to me. When I'm in the garden center, nothing can stop me. My husband's like, oh no. But he knows that I love plants, so yeah. So my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.